Hey, this is Marco and I'm going to show you how to restrict content on iPhone. It's pretty easy, but before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up settings, scroll down until you see screen time. So tap on screen time and then I'll go on content and privacy restrictions. From there, you have all of these options, but the one that would most likely interest you is under Store, Web Series and Game Center content. Here you can click on Allow Store content, so like for music podcast, movies, apps and everything. When it comes to the web content, if you tap on that, you have unrestricted, limit adult websites on only approved websites. Only approved websites, like if you tap any of these, only those will be able to be opened. And there are some other things like web search content, like on Siri, is swearing like allowed, game center, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.